So we consider that. How fast it is, or how fast he is, we talk about speed. So a quantity describe the object by three things. Let's say we talk about, first, if I'm talking about height or distance, I need ruler to measure my height, if I'm tall or short. Second, time, I need a stopwatch, right? Or clock, as you said. The third one, if I know how much I am, or how weight I am, or how mass is it. So I need to talk about balance. So balance, measure my mass, and stopwatch my time, ruler my height. All this describe the object. So this is kind of introduction. But in sciences or physics, all quantities are two parts. Something we call the scalar, the second one called vector. Teacher, we need to talk about forces. Why do we need this? Because force is one of these quantities, and you're going to see now. So a scalar is what? If I say now I have Mary or Jennifer, I say Jennifer moves 400 meters, and at the same time I say Jennifer moves 600 meters to the north. And I'm asking you guys, what is the difference between the first example and the second one? What do you think? Can anybody tell me what is the difference between Jennifer moves 400 meters, Jennifer moves 600, or let's say this is 400 meters to the north. What's the difference? Any ideas? Yes, Lucas, do you have? What is the difference?
What one tells you where is Jennifer going?
Perfect. So the first one, I don't need the direction. We don't have direction, right? So this one is a scalar, and I will explain it now. And the second one, Jennifer moves 400 meters to the north. We have direction here. So we talk about vector. That's it? Yes, so simple. So let's start to know the differences and see how is it. And after that, we goes to the force. So scalar. A scalar is just a normal quantity, has only size. Size or magnitude. Teacher, I don't understand. What do you mean with magnitude? Just number. Like Jennifer moves 400 meters. I didn't say anything about direction. Good. How about vector? No. Vector quantity have both magnitude or size and direction. Oh, so when I say Jennifer, or let's say Alex moves 400 meters, I just have size only, just the distance 400 meters. But when I say Alex or Jennifer, Alex moves 400 meters to the north, I'm talking about direction. So I'm talking about vector. So a scalar, no direction. Vector, I have direction as well. So magnitude and direction. Okay, this is the first thing. Second, I need examples. So let me ask you guys, you tell me this is need direction or not, okay? So one by one, I will give here 5 quantity and you tell me which one needs to be scalar, which one is vector. Mass, acceleration, density, force, our class today, and the last one is speed. So let's start one by one, step by step. How do I know is a scalar or vector? If this quantity needs direction, yeah, so it's vector. If doesn't need, I can do it anywhere, so is a scalar. So let's start with first one. is Linda. Linda, tell me, mass. Do you think mass need direction?
What's the meaning of mass?
When someone asks you your mass is, my mass is 100 kilogram. Kilogram. This is called mass, not weight.
Wait.
How to say mass, guys? Does anyone know mass in Chinese? Mass? Jackson, can you tell us mass in Chinese?
质量或者是重量。I think it's scalar.
Perfect. Good job. Awesome. So mass is a scalar. Why, teacher? Because if you put your balance and you measure your mass here, so whatever you go, you have the same mass. Mass doesn't change with direction. Good, Linda. So let me put them here. Linda, Lucas, Fiona, okay. Jackson. Did I forget anyone? No, okay, cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the second one, Lucas, can you tell me acceleration is a scalar or vector? Do you know what is acceleration? It's just to do, I think so. I'm not sure.
Well, I think it's a vector because it contains turning.
Perfect. So examples here for vector is acceleration. Good job. So Lucas, Fiona, what do you think about density? Like, I think density is meter. I'm not sure. Density of water. So what do you think? Scalar or vector? The water density is like density of water like anywhere.
I think it is speed.
Scalar. Okay, cool. So density is a scalar. Good job. Jackson, the last one, force here. What do you think about force? Is it scalar or vector? Force.
I think it is a vector.
Good job. Force is one of the most popular quantity in vector. Okay, cool. So let me write the others, and after this, we're gonna go to the forces because force is really, really important topic. So we have mass, we have density, we have speed, we have distance, we have volume. All those are scalar. We have also, you can talk about distance already, length, and vector is acceleration, force, velocity, and what else here? Velocity, acceleration, force, momentum, and displacement. Teacher, I don't know a lot of words. Don't worry. Once you copy, you can translate this later. So the most important now to understand what's the difference between a scalar and vector, and then start forces. So anyone has any problem here, guys? Do you have something problem here? If you have any question, you can ask me before starting with forces. So this is the first things we need to know. Quantity in our life are two. The first one, the quantity is here. It's called the scalar. Scalar, no need direction. Like what? 7, temperature. Temperature is a scalar? Yes. I don't need direction. In my room, the temperature of the room here is the same as here. If I move in the same room, I'm not talking about different cities. We talk about the same place.